Audio Jungle.
Winter is the perfect time for straight styles since humidity is low in the cooler months. But as soon as the weather starts heating up and the humidity levels rise, your natural hair begins to revert. Luckily, there are several ways to keep natural hair straight in humidity, and we're here with the scoop. Humidity has the potential to ruin your straight hair days every time. You're probably aware of that. Have you ever wondered why? Without getting too scientific, humidity adds hydrogen bonds to your hair, and when these hydrogen bonds break, as your hair dries, your hair's structure changes. Your dry, straightened hair is very much like a sponge, ready to absorb moisture at any moment. So, when humidity comes in contact with your straight strands, the hair immediately starts to drink up the moisture and responds by returning to its natural state. The more moisture your hair is exposed to, the curlier and frizzier it becomes. Now let's discuss some basic natural hair rules that you can follow to keep your hair straight. You can't expect an inadequate hair straightening job to hold up in humidity. So it's important to get your hair boned straight from the get-go. Here are some tips to help you do so. First, blow dry your hair until it's almost straight. Second, use the chase method when straightening to get the hair as sleek and straight as possible. Third, use a heat protectant to ward off heat-damaged hair. Fourth, damaged hair is much less likely to cooperate throughout the straightening process. If you're going with a professional silk press, choose a professional who works with natural hair and knows how to tailor your treatment to your unique hair type. Try to only straighten the areas around your part and hairline. Let the other hair do its thing. The less heat you use overall, the lower your risk of hair damage. On days when humidity is high and your hair is at high risk for frizz, put it up into a bun and go ahead with your day. The purpose of the bun is to shield the majority of your hair from the humidity, and it works really well in most cases. Everyone wants their hair to look insta-perfect at all times, but that's impossible. We will all have our bad hair days. If you expect your hair to be bone straight for weeks in high humidity, you will likely be disappointed. Always be realistic and learn how to adapt to weather changes whenever possible. In addition to the above tips, you could always use products targeted at keeping your hair straight in humidity. These products are highly recommended by some of the best natural hairstylists and are formulated specifically to lock in your styles on the most humid days. First, Amica the Shield Anti-Humidity Spray. You can check the price with the link in description. This spray is considered one of the most effective humidity fighters on the market. It not only keeps humidity from penetrating your strands for up to 24 hours, but it also protects your hair from thermal damage up to 450 degrees. You won't find any junk in this spray either, as it's free of parabens, sulfates, artificial colors, and more. This spray should be used before the heat styling process. Spray it on your wet or dry hair and then proceed with the blow drying and flat ironing steps. Second, Remain Straight by Curl Keeper. You can check the price with link in description. This 2-piece anti-frizz and anti-humidity set is formulated to help you create silky straight styles that you can wear all year round, even in high humidity months. It's free of harsh chemicals and made with chamomile, oat straw, sage, and nettle, all of which support hair health. Just apply the products to your wet hair and comb them through. Then proceed with the rest of the straightening process. Third, Aveda Brilliant Anti-Humectant Pomade. You can check the price with the link in description. This pomade repels moisture for styles that stay straight despite humidity levels. This product's anti-humectant properties stop moisture from coming in contact with your hair. It contains castor and rice bran oil, both of which are proven to tackle frizz and flyaways while maintaining the hair's integrity. Customers love this product, not only for its amazing results, but also for its satin finish and delightful smell. To use this product, all you need to do is dispense some of the pomade into your hands, warm it up by rubbing your hands together, and then apply it throughout your hair. Comb the product through for even distribution, and style your hair as desired. We must stress that not every product will work perfectly for everyone, since every head of hair is different. However, these are among the most promising products to get your hands on if you want to prevent frizz and curl reversion. Though you might have struggled with keeping your natural curls straight in the past, we're here to tell you that it's possible. All you have to do is follow our 5 tips and see how they work for you. We hope that this short video is helpful to you, giving you actionable tips to rock your straight hair and humidity.